Hi, I want to thank you for sticking with us and with me with going through this. The next video, this should be the third video, okay? The third one. All right. So the next one is the Four Corners Alliance Group. They have changed. I don't know if you've heard of them before, but they have been out for well over, I think more now, about 10 to 15 years now. I've been with them for a long time, and you do make incredible money with them as well. But I want to introduce it to you. I'm going to give you the presentation on it. But here is my website, www.4corners, COURNERS, Alliance, ALLIANCE, Group, GROUP.com/T Bland The link is going to be down in the description underneath this video, the third video here, so no need for you to have to memorize it. It is there, but just in case you're one of those people who are listening to this on the cell phone and checking it via through your email, and you're trying to get it done as it goes. But here's some information here on Four Corners Alliance, okay?
Hello everybody and welcome. Thank you for opting in and requesting more information. My name is Richard Thornton and I'm going to be your presenter. We're going to talk about a company called the Four Corner Alliance Group, and we like to say Four Corners for short because you literally have access to the four corners of the world. This is not based on any type of hype. This is factual information. Are you ready to change your lifestyle and get paid? This is legit, it's legal, it's ethical, and it's very real. Ladies and gentlemen, turn a one-time purchase of less than $30 out of pocket into $25K, $50K, or $100K in the next 30 to 90 days. Only a one-time $28 cost, 5 income streams with a built-in compensation plan, worldwide opportunity with a global audience, weekly pay, ladies and gentlemen, and financial literacy products that everyone needs. Managing your personal finances, investing intelligently, real estate investing, retirement planning, buying gold and silver, and much more. The program also includes packages for financial literacy books, Financial Literacy 1, 2, and 3. We have an archive of 52 financial literacy books available in Spanish, German, French, Korean, Mongolian, Arabic, Chinese, and coming soon Swahili. We have some additional series, Debt Repair Series, The Fundamentals and Building on the Essentials, So You Want to Borrow Money, all about loans. Now, the moment that everyone's been waiting for, understanding the instant commission metrics. Okay, let's get into the compensation plan. Now, get your pen and paper so that you can take some notes, because this is going to be very, and I do mean very exciting, once I explain how simple this is. Because I wanted to point out a couple of things here. Now, what you're looking at is a simple 4x6 metrics. A 4x metrics means 4 across and 6 levels deep. Let me say that one more time. 4 across and 6 levels deep. Each level consists of purchasing financial literature and paying out a commission for each level. Now, let's talk about how the metrics works. Your first level consists of bringing in your 4 people. 4 people that are like-minded, like yourself, and would love an opportunity to start a business and make some serious income. Now, on level 1, your 4 people pays you a commission of $8. Okay? For each person. That's 4 times 8 equals $32 in your potential earnings you just made on your first level. On level 2, 4 people bring in 4, which gives you a total of 4 times 4, which equals 16. And your commission of a $12, which that's 16 times 12 equals $192 you just made on your second level, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on your third level, your 16 people bring in their 4, which gives you a total of 16 times 4, which equals 64 people, and a commission of $24. That's 64 times 24 equals, ladies and gentlemen, $1,536 you just made on your third level. Remember, you only brought in 4 people that helped their 4 people get their 4, and you've already made 64 people already has joined your business. Now that's called teamwork. Wouldn't you agree? Okay. As I said earlier, you've already made $1,536, and you're only on your level 3. Now, on level 4, your 64 people bring in their 4, which gives you a total of 64 times 4, which equals 256 people, and a commission payout of $40 for each person. So that's 256 times 40. That equals $10,240 you just made on your 4th level. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's starting to get some serious money here. Each level, the commission is increasing. How many people would like to make $10,240 with just 4 people helping 4 people? I think that's pretty exciting. Now, on level 5, your 256 people bringing in their 4, which gives you a total of 256 times 4, which equals 1,024 people, and a commission of $70 for each person. So that's 1,024 times 70 equals $71,680 that you just made on level 5, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on level 6, 1,224 people bring in their 4, which gives you a total of 1,024 times 4, which equals 4,096 people, and a commission of $120 for each person. That's 4,096 times 120 equals $491,520, ladies and gentlemen. You just made that on your 6th level. Once again, you brought in 4 people. A metrics with 6 levels that paid a total of $575,000. I mean, that's close to $500,000 here already. So, ladies and gentlemen, it even gets better. Now, we have a company that's paying out 100% match on every personal person that you bring into this business. Yes, 100% check match from the metrics. Okay, yes, you heard me correct. That's 100% match on every personal person that you bring into the business. Now, this means that if you bring in John and John makes $1,536 on level 3, you match him 100%. Okay? What if Ann makes $71,680 on level 4, and she is one of your personals? You match Ann and also make $71,680. That's really amazing. My question that I have for you, ladies and gentlemen, how many people do you want to match? 10, 20, 100? You know, I watched a YouTube video and the gentleman sponsored over 600 people. I mean, that is like totally ridiculous. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've seen hundreds of comp plans, and I've never seen a comp plan that pays out like this, especially with a $28 one-time out-of-pocket investment. Now, it even gets greater here. Listen, other products, we have the Premier Weekly Newsletter. It pays out residual, ladies and gentlemen. That's a monthly residual income. We have weekly sweepstakes giveaways. The prize pool starts at $24K. Winner receives 10% of the total pool. Sponsor of the winner receives 100% match, and much, much more. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your opportunity, for chiming in, for logging in. And the person that invited you to this call, that invited you to this presentation, please do not hesitate to get in, to get started. And I just want to say, this is Richard Thornton, and I'll see you on the other side.
All right, so there you have it. That is all the information about Four Corners Alliance at this current time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. So let's get into showing you exactly how to do this. With the link that you have below, it's going to give you to this page right here. And it has all the information on it if you desire. There's even the FAQs if you desire to go to find more information. But basically everything that the gentleman had already presented to you, it is there. It's just in written form instead of in a short video. Like I said, it's easier for us to listen to a video than to go through all the stuff and then get confused. So anyway, your page is going to be like this, and it's going to say presented by Latricia Bland, which is me. I'm going to go up here and click join. When you click join, it's going to pop you into the detailed information area. And all you do is fill out your pertinent information here on each of these areas. As you see, it tells you what you get for $28, okay? You create your username, password, and it's going to show you that your inviter is me, Latricia Bland, T Bland Marketing, okay? That is me. So make sure that you check this and say, yes, she was the one that referred me. So that way that we all be on one accord, and just like you're helping me, the next person will help you and do the same. Okay? And you're going to go and click that you are human. You're going to select your options down here at the bottom. All right. And then make your payment the way that you want to pay. Okay? Then when you get down to everything, and then order now. So it's a simple process. Whatever that you're using up here for a username, that is what's going to be in your title name. So my username is T Bland Marketing. So that is what's going to be there. So make sure it's something that you want to have there, okay? So that's basically it for that particular opportunity. If you have any further questions, again, don't hesitate to call me, text me, or email me, and I will get back to you. So I'm going to go into the next opportunity. Remember that this one has up to $500,000 that you can earn, and there's a lot of people who have gone way past that. But I started this opportunity early on when it was just $18. It now has grown and prospered to different things, as you have heard in the video. So I look forward to seeing you join, and have a wonderful day.